I came across this combination lock a couple of days ago, and because I hadn't seen one like it before, I thought I would buy it and see if I could open it. Now, I have opened these before on my videos, and there are different techniques to opening both of these. This one here, I needed to pick it rather than bypass the combinations, and by picking it I can open it, literally picking it. This one, if I pull on the shackle, I think you've all seen this before, and move the dial around, at a certain point the shackle will move slightly outwards. You know, there is, oh, there we go. There is a definite feedback on the shackle. So this one is somehow different. It doesn't have a wheel. It has little levers which, as you can see, go in and out. Now, the only thing is that unlike these two here, the combination on this cannot be changed. So you buy this lock with a bit of paper with the combination on. So I'm not going to pretend to you that I don't know what the combination is, but that is not the point. The point is I wanted to learn how to open it if I didn't know the combination. So there is a small lever on the bottom, and when I press that lever, you can hear the click and see the shackle move. It goes in, out slightly. So that gave me the clue that the gates are somewhere up and down a line here, and I wondered if I pulled on the shackle and pushed these levers in and out, whether these little knobs would click into any gates. So this is what I'm going to do. As I said, I'm not pretending that I don't know the combination, because I do, and I can't change it. So I just want to show you how you can open it. First of all, you need to click this so that the shackle is out, and then put pressure on the shackle so it is pulling out. And then, one by one, push in the levers until you feel them stick. Now this one is already stuck. It doesn't want to go back. So I have to go around all of them one by one. That's stuck. That doesn't want to go back. So we've got two stuck now. That feels stuck, and there we are. By pulling on the shackle and pushing in these little levers, when they stick into position, you will know that you've got the right combination. So there it is. It will open by moving this lever, so long as the correct combination has been dialed in. Well, not dialed, pressed in. And then I put all of these back again, and it is locked and doesn't open. So like I say, I'm not pretending that I'm opening this without the combination, but this is how to open it. Press that to there, pressure on the shackle, and then one by one push in these levers. That's locked in place. That's locked in place, and there's movement on the shackle. And those two are locked in place. Okay, so there you are. You can see some are in and some are out, and that is the way to open this little lock. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something, because I certainly did. I haven't seen one of these before. There we go. Little bit of an unusual combination lock, for me anyway.